Nyomu abazyo nubwo timu y'abashaho bakugwa hirwa rero kuri ryambara regional rifado bashemize makirine na marabana banumurundo gumwe abojo babiri na nabishyo babiri na marabira maziro kweza hirwaro bwanyuma yendo kumuremera kandi abana banaba baba mushemize mbatakashizo bwire bwo kuzarwa
because at the time she delivered she was at 32 weeks and a few days, 32 weeks and 3 days, 2 days. But as a complication, she got labor starting much earlier than it should start. What we term as preterm labor.
I'm excited munongo kugira nubo bana banje bo kubanza
nyende cyo kugirebera kushika kuzarwa cyashituru mukanti sima munonga arahanga abashaba turebebiri kira munonga hamba ryo mu Faro Hospital aha tuzarize akaturebera abana nka kandi ukwezi
Dr. Ivan Tibijuka omukugombya abana bato hamwe n'abakazi benda nagira ngogu abiro mukazi wa kashatu okuzara abana banumurundo gumahirwa reri.
These ones that are more than 2, so 3 or more. If we found we had a mother having at least more than 2 pregnant babies, we would want to deliver them by cesarean section.
Abana bahati mbali akurebererwa kwa mana hirwa reri bitabazire babona bashabo buyambo bwo kubarebera.
Wena arukunda abana arukwatwa ukutwishikiriza niko turukanje cyashitagwire abasakorese isimu yanjye ya mushanja mushanjira mushanja tende mu cyanisha byo mazina gabaturake
Ahabwa TV West and area Saratugusa.